On today with what will a stock G8 make? Well, not bone stock. It has headers, rotofab, 373 gears, and it looks like stock converter and solo mufflers or lack thereof. And it started at $319. And I'll show you guys a pull. We're gonna make one more pull just to clear this one little spot out. It's a little red, a little lean right there. Really wouldn't matter with this car, but pretty particular on stuff. And here you can see so far picked up 20 horsepower and over 20 foot-pounds of torque. And as you can tell, the air fuels, the reds is the current one, much smoother, where the blue had a little bit of bouncy action in there. It wasn't bad, but we're able to squeeze a good amount of power out. 20 horsepower on a stock cam G8 is pretty good. You can tell the power starts after 6,000, it starts going down pretty good. Holds a lot better now, but it's still going down. So we'll get a video of this, and so overall looks like you can get about 340-ish out of a bolt-on G8. Pretty good. That was actually a little more than I was expecting. So we'll get a little auto and rev video and video this last pull for you guys. All right, so it looks like we ended up at 347 and started at, there you go, and started at 319. So a gain of 28 on a stock G8. Pretty happy with that.
All tuned.
Yeah, all tuned. We didn't do any work on this one. And the fuel graph, as you can tell, if Dusty pulls that back up, is much. There's the air fuel ratio. We didn't have that big jump, and it's real nice and smooth. And as it increases in RPM, it ridges up. So everything is exactly what we want to see. It had a terrible bump before. So we're good. We can go do a little bit of street driving, make sure it's good, and Peter's ready to come get it. This one has headers, the solo mid muffler, and then the solo J pipes. So just a mid muffler on this one, and a stock or a stock type cam to get rid of the DOD. I'm not exactly sure of the specification, but I know it doesn't have any kind of aftermarket performance cam. RPMs, horsepower drops off around 6,100. Got it shifting about 62. So it runs really good.